Okay, so how to find server info on Jira Cloud? If you suffix slash rest slash API slash 3 slash server info, uh, then you will be able to find out the details about your Jira instance on cloud. Now, there is no server system info page on Jira Cloud. System info page is quite useful when it comes to getting the information about your Jira instance on server, but unfortunately there is no way to do it on the cloud. But of course there is this server info which will tell you base URL version and build number, build date, server time, and server title along with the default locale. These things are useful, but they're of course not really detailed when it comes to system info page on Jira server. But what you can do, you can always use the Jira Cloud REST API to get the information that you want. And I have been making a lot of videos on using Jira Cloud REST API, uh, and I have a playlist called Mastering Jira REST API where I have been basically talking about how to fetch the information, how to interact with your Jira instance using just REST API. And in this video series, I have been using Talend API Tester, and you can do that, of course, using your browser. And that is something that I also want to recommend you. If you want to maybe fetch or pull the information from your Jira instance, then use the REST API, the Jira Cloud REST API, especially if you're trying to get something uh, similar to your system info page on Jira server. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.